Assalamu alaikum. Standard 5. Subject Environmental Studies Part 2. Topic Middle Stone Age, New Stone Age, and from the next chapter Shelter and Seasonal Camps. So let's begin.
Progress. Then they started domestication of animals, and the first animal they domesticated were dogs. And due to certain environmental changes, their life began to change. So they started to harvest food grains. Harvest means they started doing agriculture on a small scale, and they grew wild grains and as well as just domesticated animals. Now they left hunting. Partially they left hunting, so they have diet now included the food which they consume included various plant foods, that is vegetarian foods. Then they began to settle in one place for a longer period of time. After that, sheep and goats also were started to domesticate. They make tool like knife, sickle by firmly fixing a row of blades as small as fingernails into a groove in a bone or a piece of wood. Then there are many Middle Stone Age sites which have been found in India. So among them the well knowns are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Jalgaon in Maharashtra. And this is the tools which they made. This is made up of wooden, and you all can see small pointed objects coming out from them. So that is they made microliths out of stones, and they firmly fixed it on the wooden stick to make it a weapon for themselves. Question number 1. What did Homo sapiens domesticated? Dog, sheep and goats. Second, what did Homo sapiens started to harvest? Homo sapiens started to harvest food grains that grew in the wild. Third, what did the diet include? Their diet included plant foods. Fourth, how was the tool knife and sickle made? Knife and sickle were made by firmly fixing a row of blades as small as fingernails into a groove in a bone or a piece of wood. I have shown you all the image in the previous slide about it. Fifth, name the Middle Stone Age sites found in India. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Jalgaon in Maharashtra. New Stone Age. The tools which were made in New Stone Age were polished to give shiny smooth finish, and this was made for the first time. As you all can observe in the image, the stones are polished and it has a shiny finish from outside. So therefore this type of tool making technique was the first made for the first time. Therefore that period is known as New Stone Age. Now agriculture, animal husbandry and domestication of animals became their main occupation. Then they did hunting, but not on a large scale. It became secondary to agriculture, animal husbandry and domestication of animals. Then there were many New Stone Age sites in India, but the special ones are Ganga River, along the Ganga rivers as you can see in the image, and in South India. South India means the below portion of India, which is in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Chennai and etc. So, first, what was the new type of tool making technique? The tools were polished to give smooth, shiny finish, were made for the first time. This was the new type of tool making technique. Second, what had become their routine way of life? Agriculture, domestication of animal and animal husbandry had become a routine of life. Name the New Stone Age sites in India, Ganga River and in South India. Now the another chapter, and the topic which we took is shelter and seasonal camps. So first, Neanderthals lived in caves, as we all have seen in the 5th chapter, and we have done revision in the previous lecture also. Then they could protect themselves from the freezing temperature, from the cold temperature, because they started wearing leather clothes and they knew how to produce fire and how to use it. And now that was not enough, because living in the caves and wearing clothes and using fire was also not enough. So therefore they started using animal skin to make tents inside the cave, and if it is necessary they started building huts also in open. Now during the Middle Stone Age time, a group of Homo sapiens knew how to build camps. So they started building their camps everywhere around the world. That time the climate was getting warmer. Now at the time of Neanderthal, the climate was cold, but as it came to Homo sapiens, the climate became warmer and warmer. So the diet of Homo sapiens also changed because of the climatic condition. Now, big animals like mammoth were on their way to extinction. They were getting disappeared. Now, if they used to hunt animals like mammoth, but mammoths starting to extinct, so they largely turned to fishing. They started doing fishing. Now, after fishing, now they cannot only do fishing. Therefore, they started hunting wild boar, deer, mountain goat, and sheep. These animals they started hunting. They moved their camps according to the season changes, according to the climate. They started moving their camps from one place to another. Then they started harvesting. As we all know, they started doing agriculture first on small scale, and they started harvesting wild grains and gathered wild fruits and roots. So all the fruits, roots, and everything we know, vegetables we know, that was at that time wild, because they were not having any knowledge about it. Therefore, that was wild fruits and roots. They knew about the best season for fishing, and they did fishing in that seasons. And they also discovered the best hunting grounds where there were many animals for them to hunt. They started hunting on that grounds. After that, they started settling in one place for longer period of time, because they started doing agriculture, fishing, and they knew the best place for hunting. And for this purpose, they started cutting down the trees. They started felling trees, and then they set up their camps, their tents in that area where they have cut down the trees, and they started doing all their works over there. Where did Neanderthals lived? Neanderthals lived in caves. Which smaller animals were hunted by Homo sapiens? Wild boar, deer, mountain goat, and sheep. What did Homo sapiens harvested? Homo sapiens harvested grains, wild fruits, and roots. What did they discover? They discovered the best hunting ground.